Okay, shop inventory checkout log. This is to be filled out by whoever takes anything, anytime you take something from inventory to replenish your truck. So it doesn't matter, lead techs, assistant techs, all the same. Anytime you take anything off the shelf at the shop out of the inventory to replenish your truck, you simply fill this out, date, name, what you took. Each part that sits on the shelf has a labeled corresponding part number. Write down the part number, how many you took. Pretty easy. I'll give you a quick example. You were out washing that day. Let's say you blew a 50-foot pressure hose. So you had to get in the toolbox, grab out your spare 50-foot hose, put it on so you could finish out the day. You get back to the shop that evening. You want to take a 50-foot hose off the shelf to put back in your toolbox so you have a spare hose on hand. Well, when you do that, you need to write your date, write the date, your name, 50-foot pressure hose, corresponding part number, 1. And that's it. Another example, real quick, would be lead tech does his truck inventory on Friday morning. He notices there's a few parts he needs to replenish on the truck, so he takes them from the shop inventory. You need to check out each item, what it was. Let's say you took a 3/8 inch plug fitting. Well, let's say you needed 2 of them. Date, name, 3/8 inch plug fitting, part number, 2. Simple. And then I will be able to see this. I'll see what's coming off the shelf, and this should match up with our inventory data, so we can kind of keep track of what's coming off the shelves, who's taking what, and we'll make sure we get everything reordered and everything matches up. So that's it. That's your shop inventory checkout log hanging on the wall next to the shop inventory shelves. Anytime you take anything off the shelf, you have to sign for it, write down what it was and how many.